Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet around a zipper. This technique is a great option for those who dislike sewing but still want to add a zipper closure to their crochet projects. Crocheting a zipper pouch is super fun and perfect for keeping small things in one place. You can use it for all sorts of stuff like pens, makeup or other small items. The best thing is you can crochet right onto the zipper and customize the size as you go. It's a really easy make and a great gift idea because everyone needs a handy pouch like this, right? Without further ado, let's get started. You can make this bag in any size depending on the length of the zipper and the number of rows you will be working. I'm going to demonstrate the technique using this 15 cm long zipper, but feel free to use whichever length you want. Next, choose a yarn that complements your project. I'm using sport cotton yarn in a bright fluorescent orange color. You'll also need a crochet hook in size appropriate for your yarn. I'm using a 4 mm crochet hook, but a 3.5 mm would work better in my opinion. You will also need a smaller pointy hook to crochet the first round as you need to pierce the fabric. I'm currently using a 1.5 mm crochet hook. Go ahead and make a slip knot, piercing the fabric with the small hook and passing the yarn through. Chain 1. It might be a little hard to maneuver, but just be patient for this round, okay? Insert the hook a few millimeters past the place you have just pierced and pull up the yarn. Crochet a single crochet. And continue like that until the end of the line, where your zipper tail is. Try to work quite loose as you later need to switch to a bigger hook and you need to go through these stitches. Once you reach the end of your zipper, chain 3 or 4 and pierce on the other side, trying to make the stitches match this side. Continue to insert one single crochet all along. Chain 3 or 4. Slip stitch into the first single crochet of the round. Now change the hook so you will be using the bigger one. Chain 1, one single crochet in each stitch across. You probably need to force your hook into the stitches a little. You need to have a total number of stitches that is multiple of 3, so keep that in consideration when working this round. If your stitch count doesn't match, work 1 or 2 single crochet together along the way so you can get the correct number by decreasing the stitches. Once you arrive at the chain space, insert 3 or 4 single crochet into the chain space according to the number of chains you previously made. And continue with one single crochet into each stitch on the other side. Insert 3 or 4 single crochet into the next chain space as well. Slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. Now you are ready to begin with the wattle stitch pattern. Chain 1. So into the first stitch, insert 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. Skip 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the third stitch. Skip 2 stitches and work 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the third stitch. Repeat this pattern all around until you get to the end. Slip stitch into the first stitch. Chain 1, single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the chain space. Single crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the next chain space. Keep repeating this pattern all around until the end. Slip stitch into the first stitch of the round, and that's it. This is basically the pattern repeat you need to work until you reach the desired length of your pouch. Always starting the round with chain 1 and crocheting 1 single crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into each chain space. I personally stopped once my pouch reached 5 inches in length, but feel free to work as many rows as you like. Flip your pouch inside out, cut the yarn and fasten off. There are different ways to join panels in crochet, so today I will demonstrate 2. The first one is really simple and doesn't require sewing. Simply make a slip knot and attach the yarn on the side of your work, going through both sides. Chain 1 and join the 2 sides together with a single crochet, going through both the stitches and the chain space all along, going through the first and the second side. The second method is similar, but you use the yarn needle instead. Cut a long piece of yarn and thread it onto the yarn needle. Insert it at one end, leaving a small tail, and sew the 2 pieces together by entering from the front to the back, going through the corresponding stitch on both panels, as done with method 1. I like to enter through the front loop of my first panel, the one in front of me, and through the back loop of the other panel, so the final result looks prettier and neater. Repeat across the entire seam. Cut the yarn and wave in all those ends. This next step is optional, but you can secure the loose ends of your zipper to the pouch for a tidier finish. Thread a thinner yarn into a smaller needle and make a knot at the end of the thread. Sew the tiny pieces to the pouch, making sure they sit correctly. You can turn the piece inside out to check if you like your work. Make a knot and fasten off. Repeat on the other side, and once you are satisfied, flip the pouch with the right side facing out. and there you have it, beautiful and practical zipper pouch. This technique is great for adding a finishing touch to all sorts of crochet projects really. I made other two pouches, the green one using the same wattle stitch and the pink one with the alternative double crochet. Just use your creativity. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials and inspiration. See you next time. Bye bye!